Assalamu alaikum. We're going to learn about finding coordinates on a grid. Let's look at some keywords first. What are these lines? These lines are known as axes. The one going horizontally is the x-axis, and the one going vertically is the y-axis. What is a coordinate? A set of values that show an exact position on a grid or map. It is often a pair of numbers or letters or both. I am going to show you how do we locate or identify these two numbers known as coordinates on a grid. Let's use the x-axis and the y-axis to find the location of these coordinates B3. How do we interpret these points on a grid? The first letter or number in the pair of coordinates that we have is always going to be the x-coordinate. And the second letter or number in this pair is always going to be the y-coordinate. This is our origin. We always go to the right first from the origin to see where our x-coordinate is on the x-axis. Our x-coordinate is B and it lies here on the x-axis. Our second coordinate is 3 and the second coordinate or number is always going to be y-coordinate. This number tells us how far we will move up. So we have to go up on the y-axis to see where our second coordinate is. Now this point where we have reached is the position of these two coordinates on our grid. This point is called B3. Let's find the coordinates of this school on a grid. We always go to the right first on the x-axis, so we will move 3 spaces to the right and we come to know that our first coordinate is C, which is the x-coordinate. Then we go 2 spaces up and we come to know that our second coordinate is 2. So the coordinates for this school on a grid are C2.